Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to make slime out of Dollar Tree items. So let me show you the Dollar Tree items. So first it's going to be glue. Then you want to use this. Oh my god, something is going on with my camera. Okay, it's good now. First you want to use is the hot glue. Then you want to use some brown sugar and vanilla bubble bath with shea butter. So that's at Dollar Tree. All of this right here is at Dollar Tree. So you want to use shaving cream. You want to use men's shaving cream and cocoa butter and Gain. All of these ingredients are at Dollar Tree. So let's get it going. I'm not going to use a bowl. I'm just going to use it on here because why do I need a bowl? Try to do this challenge is make slime without a bowl. Or you gotta make slime without a bowl. So let's get this glue and pour it on here. You also want to buy hot glue. I'm just gonna open this up. Now I'm done with the glue. So wait, let me put it on the top. Now brown sugar and vanilla bubble bath. So let me open up that. This is only to make it smell good. And smooth because it has shea butter in it. Now you want to stir it up. I'll let you know when I'm done stirring. I'll be right back. So when you stir this, it's getting thick as you can see. So what you want to do is go side to side. So now you want to add shaving cream. If you want to add shaving cream, you don't have to. So let me get it ready. As you can see that I add foam. Now let me stir. Now when you do this, you want to go over into a circle so it can get fluffy. If you want to add shaving cream, if you don't want to add shaving cream, just go on to the cocoa butter. So I'm done doing this. So what you want to do is add your cocoa butter. Add 2 squirts, or squirts, I said squirt. So let me stir that up. Guys, I'm sorry. Add more than 2, just add 4 squirts of this because 2 is not enough. Guys, I really gotta tell you, this smells like yogurt, the Greek yogurt. How they say it is yogurt, grogurt, Greek yogurt. Yeah, this actually smells like it. Smell it. So let's go on to the game. So I added the game, so let me show you now. I'll be right back after when I'm done stirring this. If y'all would like to donate, then donate so I can like get some more supplies for this slime. And I will also be making some slime DIYs. So subscribe to my channel so you will know when it will come out. and ready for you to watch. Now as you can see that I have mixed it up, kneaded, as you can see all this stuff around it. Now I just gotta gather that up. Now this is how to make blob slime. Blob slime is like, it's just a big flat blob. Because it flops down like a blob. So comment down below, did this help you make blob slime? Bye.